searching for the right tips for my chair, the right size rubber canes for my chair. Very expensive, very expensive, but I need them. And here I am finally at Starbucks. I've been wanting to go for more than a year, and I finally got the chance to go, and I got myself a strawberry frap. So yeah, I should go back. I want to go back soon. My sister and my mom. Yeah. Those are some of the drinks that they had, and there it is. Isn't that beautiful? And it was so tasty, y'all. So tasty. Going to change to get my MRI done, and this is the couple I'm going to change into. Let me show you. This is the room, quite little there. Mirror here, this is the room. Flowy dress. So let's get changed. Just finished, guys. Look at my hair. Hey Dizzlers, good morning. Welcome back to Shandizz's Life, and if you're new here, thank you for clicking on today's video. If you're not, welcome back, and thank you for coming back with us. As you can see, it is raining. It is raining. Hi. It is raining. Oh, look at my face. Be right back. That's better. And I am currently waiting on my staff bus. I have a big umbrella, which is very heavy, and it's falling apart. Look, bottom part of it broke, but it's still shielding me from the rain, so I have no complaints. Hi. I don't like umbrellas, y'all. I prefer raincoats because I need both my arms to be free. Well, I walk with a cane, so that's one hand, and I have a sweetie pan. That's the other hand. Let me show you. Let me show you. See? My pan. It's coming down harder, y'all, and this umbrella, well, it's doing good. In the rainy season is my pain season. I love the rain, but it's my pain season. Let's see how long I'll wait for the staff bus to get here. The good thing is though, I came down this hill before the rain started, so that's good, right? And I have to go down there in the rain. Oh, umbrella is falling. Anyways, I'll catch back with you all when the bus is here or when I'm at work. To work, y'all. Made it to work. This chair has been giving me issues for years. It is giving me back pain. I did some tests recently on my spine because I've been having extremely horrible back pains. It cannot be adjusted, so I can't pull it towards me or push it back or fix it properly. And this chair is falling apart, and I am just using my cushion that I took from home. And see, I have my cushion at the back, and it's really not comfortable. My lower back is a lot of pain. That is one of the reasons why you have not been seeing any vlogs from me, because I've been in a lot of pain. I've been doing some tests to see what exactly is going on with both my knees and my spine, which I will update you on for when the time is right, but it's just not right as yet. Got machine package, y'all. Let's see what's in there. These are stuff that I bought. I decided to try and get more clothes. You never do. I'm baking this into I need more clothes. I don't normally buy stuff for me, as you know. This is the first one.
That look nice. Those were red now that bring it up.
Oh, they had the red one, but you know, red is your color. That it look like it can fit me too. Real good material. It's not heavy.
It's not for iron it.
That's the thing, cause you know me don't like iron.
Unless like
And they're really nice.
really nice too.
Yes. Girl, don't bother with it. Girl, guys, her hips are wider than mine. So if you try it on, she'll go stretch it out. Oh, no, know that. No. Tell her truth. Tell her.
Oh, it's a paper one.
Let's go. I'm gonna go back for sure.
I'm sorry.
Let go.
Go put this.
This.
Yes,
This one looks like it's going to be bigger than me. Maybe not.
Don't look good.
But this is
Like
nice.
this. And then buggy can put documents in them.
This one is not really for work. I saw it and I just fell in love.
Aw, you go on a good date.
Girl, ever hear me go on date yet? Show the camera. Let me show them.
Come on, nice little like
Simple.
a little ice cream date or a little garden type date or
I even wear it to work on Fridays. And one more.
Girl, not the red.
Girl, you know blue and pink is my thing, and I just wanted some of those colors in my closet.
Wow, yes. Yes.
You see how she beat me with the dress? Hey.
Yes.
It's look big. You look big?
Yeah, but then everything must tight on you. One to eat, one to put down weight.
That's the thing. That's why I buy clothes, because I put on weight. Nothing can fit me anymore. So, I'm at physio. Well. I've not started my physiotherapy session yet. Let me show you. See? Door closed. No. Why is the door closed? Because I'm early and they're on their lunch break. So I'm just sitting and waiting. Let me tell you something. I was just stressed right out. Like, how am I going to get to therapy? Because there's this co-worker that I normally pay every week to carry me to therapy, to take me to therapy. And he called me a few minutes before it was time to leave, saying that he couldn't take me today. So, good afternoon. I was stressed out, wondering how I'm going to get here. But then, God is so good. Called a friend, asked him if it was possible for him to take me, and of course he said yes. Surprisingly, anyways. I'm here. No, I'm waiting. Let's see if I can show you some clippings from my therapy session today. If not, I don't know when I'm going to pick this camera up, but we'll see. Hey guys, I don't know if you guys can see, but I am beat. I'm exhausted. No, I didn't get to take up the camera while doing my therapy session. Look at me. This is not how I was before my session, and I'm exhausted, y'all. I'm sweating in every creases and corner of my body. I'm sweating in areas that I did not know that I had to sweat. Yeah, I'm exhausted. I'm tired. I'm trying to reach the gate, but I took a break. I'm sitting down, and the nurse just asked me if I have any sweetie in my sweetie bun. So she's gonna buy. I stopped once before, and this is not my last stop before I reach the gate, because with all those exercises and stretches that I just did, I'm having pains and spasms. Hey, another day. No breakfast this morning. Oh, no breakfast this morning. Why? Therapy yesterday mashed me up. I'm in a lot of pain. Knees, back, and at this point all over. So I came out of the house without even thinking about what I'm gonna have for breakfast, and I didn't carry no lunch either. Let me show you what is happening. Ooh. Feels so good. This is the best thing I've purchased in my life, because now it helps with my back pain. As you can see, it's warm, it's heated. I could turn off the heat if I wanted to while it's still rotating. Let me see. It's on another side. It's still rotating, but I turn it off. With my back pain right now, I'm at work and I'm massaging my back, and I am still right here where the phone is, so I can still say whatever I need to say and just send to whoever.
So how you gonna manage it?
Not good. Not good. This one. And I kind of twisted twice and I fell once. So, pain. I have to be pulling it, like not stepping on it, just.
So you actually need a new brace.
You took me out of it.
Hmm?
You took me out of the brace.
And because the brace wasn't serving the purpose of the match up. And so I think I might be a small brace from you. Let me see if I can find one.
Try to video everyone else. The color opposite.
Alright, so what it feels like? So what it feels like?
Stand up and look my chair.
Yeah, so it basically saying that the tendon is inflamed, which we know from before. And it may have a little tear in it.
So it's right there.
So
That's why the pain is there.
And in terms of solution, the best solution, I mean in the short term or intermediate, to be able to rest the knee fully. And
Wheelchair?
Yeah. I mean to allow the knee to rest.
Okay.
Oh,
A wheelchair.
To allow the knee to settle down. And all that.
how long?
No.
But if that
Yeah.
No.
they shall even. You don't have to do that on the river because you sit down with the officer all the
No.
time.
Well, you have to use two crutches then.
No.
Johnny, you sit down in the office all the time.
right? So you don't need it.
No, and it's still not resting, so I need the wheelchair or the crutches, and I'm not doing either of that.
Too much going to happen when well, we're going to do some sort of surgery, but until we get there, suppose you can get somebody so you can walk.
It is bad.
So what you going to do in the meantime?
She not staying home, you know. She's a walker time. Alone can walk.
Yeah, but if I don't move up and down, it gets worse.
But you're not cafe after being a wheelchair now. Walk about. What's the next one?
Is this a
Temporary thing.
it's a temporary thing to allow it to settle down?
And with that beautiful smile, we have come to another end of a video. So see you next time, listeners. Bye.